Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to restore a deleted Google Docs file. Friends, if you had deleted a Google Docs file which now you want to recover it, like for example, if I delete this file, then for few seconds I will receive this option to undo it. If I skip this option, then there is no recycle bin in Google Docs, but you can restore the deleted file by going to Google Drive. So click on Drive. Now Google Drive will open. Now here in the bin you will find your deleted file. Now here is your deleted file. So to restore, you simply need to right click on the file and here select restore. Now it will automatically restore the file. Friends, please note one thing, that recycle bin keeps deleted files for 30 days. That means you have this option to recover the file up to 30 days after deleting. If your deleted file is more than 30 days back, then you will not able to find that file in recycle bin. So if I go to Google Docs, here I will find my deleted file which is now available. So friends, like this you can very easily restore a deleted Google Docs file. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.